How to transfer USDT from OKX to Bitget. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to transfer USDT from OKX to Bitget. So it's important to follow all the steps. So first of all, you need to obtain our USDT crypto address from Bitget and open the Bitget app and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Once you're in the Bitget, simply tap on receive or deposit option in the top of the screen. Then search for USDT. Once you find it, tap on it. Make sure to keep it on the Ethereum network and select USDT. Now you will see a QR code and an alphanumeric crypto address, and then tap on copy icon to copy the address. As my account is not verified, I'm not able to do that. So now let's go to OKX. Open your OKX wallet. Navigate to the assets section and then select withdraw. You will see the withdraw section if your account is verified, and now choose withdraw crypto and you will see the USDT on the chain. Paste the address you copied from the into the designated field and remember to select the Ethereum network, which is also known as ERC20. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and select your funding account as the source of funds. And after completing these steps, you will see a submit option and then confirm the transaction and your transfer will be successful. So that's how you can transfer USDT from OKX to Bitget. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.